Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie Mitten, and for my concept map I did a flower. So I started out with leadership ethics, team leadership, and culture and leadership as the stem because they are like the nutrients that feed the flower and help with the development of the petals, or the traits as we would call them. So before the stem can push through the surface and develop into the flower, certain ideals need to be understood. So first, leaders need to understand what their morals are and how they will guide them toward making difficult decisions that may be hard for them. For team leadership, goals must be distinguished and understood before leading a group toward them. And then last, especially in today's society, it is important to understand the cultural differences of others and take the time to learn those different cultures in order to successfully communicate and understand the needs of others, for example, the people that you are leading. So for the middle of the flower, I listed the types of leadership and the theories, and if they are leader or follower based. I did it this way because I feel like they are kind of the core ideals that need to be met and understood before the real growth and beauty can take place, which would be the different leadership approaches. And then last, I formed the petals around each of the different approaches with leadership types and theories that I felt grew from that approach. Some are repeated just because I feel like they can relate to multiple different approaches. For example, I believe that adaptive leadership stems from both the behavioral and the skills approach, just because I feel like a leader should have the skills to problem solve in order to teach their followers to adapt, but must also be able to do that through their actions without doing the problem solving themselves. So that was just one example I had. So another example I had was that transformational leadership stems also from the skills and behavioral approach. I did this for both of them because I think that a follower has to use their human and conceptual skills in order to be able to understand and adapt to the needs of their followers. But they need to do this through their actions in order to gain the trust of their followers, which in turn will allow the followers to let them in so the leader can learn their needs in order to adapt. So those are two of my examples. So that is my concept map. I hope you enjoyed it.